If you're thinking about buying this fabric 5-drawer dresser, this is what it looks like. The top is made of very hard wood, and all the drawers are fabric. The drawers are really roomy. I put clothes, blankets, socks, toys, everyday items. Very roomy. And I like the wood top because it gives me extra space for decor, like a lamp, a clock, small electronics. We even put a TV on there, and it's very sturdy for a TV. The steel frame keeps it sturdy, but it's still lightweight enough to move around easily, like if you're trying to change your room setup. It works good in bedrooms, closets, hallways. We have it in our bedroom right now. Most of the hardware is included, and you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, but everything else should be included. It took me about 20 to 30 minutes to assemble it. The drawers were easy to push in and out, but the only thing I didn't really like about it was the drawers are kind of flimsy compared to the hard wood type drawers. It's 21 inches high and 39 inches in width. So if you're looking for something like this, it gives you a good idea of what to expect.